Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, as well as heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires, and a headache rack with side rails on the back. You've got some nice accessories there and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 spaciously and comfortably. They can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any of the cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet. Do also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle, but underneath that, you also have vinyl, so no need to worry about getting a carpet all nasty. And now looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it sitting at 129,792 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls to cycle through your information displayed here, such as your fuel economy, trip timer, trip A and B distance, distance empty, and fuel economy again. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and I believe also USB, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But moving on, you do also have your hazards and traction control shut off up here, and then moving down from that, you have your climate controls here, pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with your trailer brake controller, and on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet with a cubby beneath it. And then down here, you have another 12-volt as well as your USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio that way. You do also have a shelf there where you can put your device while it's charging. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, a cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this can be lifted up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you actually have another compartment for even more storage. And you have 2 slide-out cup holders like so you can have drinks while the seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.